Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class, I discussed about the primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary carbon. I think one example completed. Now I will give you one more example. These type of molecule exist or not, don't consider. These are hypothetical molecules. Just we have to find the primary, secondary, tertiary carbon and also primary, secondary, tertiary hydrogens. Okay, so now carbon, this is hydrogen. Primary carbon, primary hydrogen. Secondary carbon, secondary hydrogen. Tertiary carbon, tertiary hydrogen. Quaternary carbon will be there, but there is no quaternary hydrogen. Come on. Find the primary carbon. Primary carbon meaning what is that? The carbon which is directly bonded to one carbon. This carbon directly bonded to one carbon. Don't count all this. This directly bonded. This carbon not directly bonded with this carbon. One more bond is there between them. So directly bonded only we have to consider. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4. 4 into 3, 12. Then 12 primary hydrogens are there. Next, secondary carbon. This carbon, secondary carbon meaning what is that? The carbon which is directly bonded with the two other carbon. This carbon bonded 1 and 2. So like this, 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here 6. 6 into 2, 12. Then tertiary carbon. The tertiary carbon meaning what is that? The carbon which is directly bonded to three other carbon. 1, 2, 3. It means this carbon bonded to three other carbon. 1. Then this is 1, 2, 3. Then this 1, 2. Then this is third. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. 6 into 1, 1. Because each one having 1, 1, 1. Then 6. Quaternary carbon anywhere is not. So it is 0, no quaternary hydrogen. Like this we have to find out. If you want, I will write here this is secondary, secondary, this is tertiary, this is tertiary, this is tertiary, tertiary, secondary, primary, primary, secondary, 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 tertiary, tertiary, primary, primary. If any count is there missing, you can just clarify with this. I hope this is correct also. Next, amines. Amines also primary, secondary, tertiary will be there. Now, how to identify? Follow the rank shortcut. It is easy for you. Then NH2 is there. Add nitrogen. 2 hydrogens are there. That is called primary. Add nitrogen. 1 hydrogen. Then it is secondary. Nitrogen, that is tertiary. Nitrogen with the 4 bond plus positive. Here also no hydrogen, here also no hydrogen, but here 4 bond positive, here 3 bond, no positive charge. Then this is called quaternary amine. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, quaternary amine. Clear this is? Now I will give you a few examples and you have to find out. Like is given. This bond line notation. The total molecular notation is bond line notation. Now you have to find out the primary, secondary, tertiary amine, not carbon. I am not giving any carbon. Only question is find out the primary, secondary, tertiary amine. Now this is observe in this one. This nitrogen with the 3 bonds. Any positive charge is there? No. It means it is tertiary or quaternary? Tertiary. This is nitrogen with 1 hydrogen, 2 bonds. 1 bond, 2 bond, 1 hydrogen. Then what do you call this is? Secondary amine. This is tertiary amine. This is primary. Now one cyclic example we will take. Now, find out the primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Come on. The first one compound, primary amine. Second, secondary amine. See, this is nothing but bond, not as a bond. This is which one? CH3. You should know the bond line notation. Then this is not bond, this is CH3. Then this is tertiary. Confusion started. Here only single bonds are. Here double bond again. Got the point? Then it is a confusion question. Then this one does. Second. This is called imine. Keep in mind carbon double bond nitrogen. What are the next enigma? Like this is there. This is called imine, not amine. E plus amine. Imine this is. Okay? So it is not amine. This is imine. Note down this is. So it is also this type. Carbon is the double bond nitrogen. Imine. Got the point? Like this question they may ask based on that you have to answer. Now after this classification of compound, I am not writing the flow chart. You know that organic compounds are classified into which one? Acyclic, cyclic. In that again acyclic we have the saturated, unsaturated. Okay? In cyclic we have the two types. What is that? One is homocyclic, another is heterocyclic. Homocyclic meaning what is the meaning? The cyclic ring formed by with the only one type of atom. Generally in organic chemistry, the cyclic what is being there? Carbon. In heterocyclic meaning what is that? In the cyclic ring, at any one position, 1 or 2 or 3, at least minimum one heteroatom should be present. What is the heteroatom we have to consider in this organic chemistry? Other than carbon and hydrogen, any atoms are there, we have to consider heteroatom. Keep in mind. Carbon is there, hydrogen is there. Other than this, any other atoms are there. Oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, halogen. If any other atom other than carbon, hydrogen, that is called heteroatom. That is very important. You have to know that what is heteroatom. Other than carbon, hydrogen, remaining atoms are considered the heteroatom. If any at least one atom is present in the cyclic, then that is called heterocyclic. If not there, only carbon is there, that is called homocyclic, also called carbocyclic, because carbon is present. Next, in the homocyclic again we have the alicyclic and aromatic. Aromatic means what is it? Which one follow the Haeckel rule, and it should be a planar and cyclic conjugated like this. Rules are there, we will discuss in benzene chapter, not now. If I discuss, that is only take the 2-3 hours. So I am not discussing that. Okay. So in this aromatic, again we have two types. One is benzoate, another is non-benzoate. Benzoate meaning what is that? Benzene ring contained compound. Non-benzoate other than benzene rings. That may be 4-member or 5-member. That is not benzoate. 6-member ring is there and benzene type triple bond. Even 3 times double bond is there. That is called benzene. You know this is a benzene. 6-member ring this is and double bond. This is benzoate. 4-member ring if it is there, non-benzoate. 5-member ring, non-benzoate. 7-member, non-benzoate. 8-member, non-benzoate. What is the point? So, based on this, like this question they may ask. Now, based on this flow chart, I will give you some question you have to answer. It is in your textbook, it is there. I am not writing the flow chart, but I explain everything. So, now the question is, which of the following is benzoate? Question is, which of the following is benzoate? Option 1, this is A. Now we are to consider this is naphthalene. Now I am not writing the structure. Sometimes they may give the name also. You should know the structure. Naphthalene. Third one is anthracene. And the fourth one is azulene. Now the question what I given? Which of the following is benzoate structures? Other question you can reverse also. Which of the following is not benzoate? Both possible is there. Which of the following is bentonite? Otherwise, which of the following is not bentonite? Which one you want? First one or second one? Not. Second one you want? Okay. Which of the following is not bentonite molecule or structure? Come on. The simplest like this question only, and whatever I am telling here, you have to what do you call? Expect the question from the examiner. Concept is given in your textbook. From that, what are the possibilities? Now you know the bentonite structures, non-bentonite structures. Then what you have to immediately think one question immediately. In your mind should be struck immediately one question. 4 5 molecules are given in that select which is bentonite, which is non-bentonite. Come on. This is anyway bentonite only because it is bentonite. Next here naphthalene. Naphthalene you know that. 2 benzene ring. This is called fusion ring. What do you call this? Fusion. Combine. You know that fusion, fission in nuclear physics. When I studied that nuclear chemistry, there now shifted to physics there. Okay. Now, both rings are bentonite. Any one ring is bentonite. Again, question. See how the questions are there. We know everything, but when question is given, again start the confusion. This look like this ring. Benzene type is there or not? This ring observe. Bentonite is there or not? Both rings are bentonite type. Clear? Now I can do like this. One. This. Got the point now? Now the question is given. This is A, this is B, another is C. Option A, B, C, D, all. In naphthalene, which of the following structure is more stable? Very good. A is more stable. Remaining is not stable. Reason? When bentonite structures are there, they are more stable than the non-bentonite structure. So here both rings are look like the benzene. Here one ring only look like the benzene. This is not. See, double bond here, double bond not appearing here. But alternate double bond is there. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Alternate is there, but benzene-like structure not there. Right? It is not. Here right side not is there. Here left side not there. Got the point? So which is having the all or maximum. If possible all you have to represent the benzene type structure. But always not possible. You have to write the maximum number of benzene type structure. Then that is more stable. Then if like this question is given, all are looking like the naphthalene, then what will you answer? D, if you don't know the concepts. So all are naphthalene only? All. But not. All, it means maximum number of benzene type of rings are there, that is more stable. Like this anthracene. What is anthracene? These concepts you have to note down. If maximum number of benzene type rings are there, they are more stable. If you don't note down this one, after a few days, again it is a question mark. See. Here how many benzene type rings are there? 2. One is not. Because I represented here maximum possibility. All three not possible. Of possible you can try also. If you write like this, middle one, now middle one represent like this. Anyway compulsory any one side double bond. Left side or right side will become double bond in the vertical. Here vertical double bond, here vertical double bond. Then it is alternative then like this. So now these successive are adjacent are benzene type ring. This is not. Here two are benzene type ring. This is not. Okay. Like this, any possibilities are there you can write in that which is more stable. which having the maximum number of Benjamin rings, that is most stable, remaining is not. Sometimes when we give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, write their order. If for example, if I write this time taking process, you just write your own. Here already there I will write here. This is number A, B, C already given. If they ask order of stability, you have to think the question. This is compulsory first. A, these two are equal stability, or if B is more stable, C is less stable, or C is more stable than B. Equal. Then we can write B is equal to C. Then like this, you try to write the number of possible structure, give the 1, 2, 3 number of A, B, C, D and write their order. When like these concepts are there, immediately one question is possible which is more stable. Next is order. Okay? This is based on the Benjamin structure. Now, azulene. What is azulene? Azulene is one is 7-member ring. This is another is 5-member ring. No. If it is like this, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, then where it should come alternate. If it comes here, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Alternate is there. Now this is how many member ring? This one, not 6, 7. Look like, but no, you have to count that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how many member ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no one having like 6 member ring. That's it. Totally this molecule is non-benzoate, or half of also non-benzoate. Okay, this is non-benzoate structure. Clear? If like is also given, how many member rings is this? 8 is it? 7. That is benzoate or non-benzoate? But double bond are not given. If you want double bond, single bond, double bond. So this is also non-benzoate structure. Got the concept? Okay. After this, one question. Which of the following is homocyclic? Which of the following is homocyclic? Now, A, I am not giving the ABCD, just come like this one. Like this may be here. In this, which of the following is homocyclic, which of the following is heterocyclic? Find out. First one. Then I will write this is homocyclic. Homo. Next. Homo. Next. Somebody homo. Next voice. Hetero. See, cyclic meaning what is it? Ring. In the ring, what are the atoms are there? All are carbon. But by looking this oxygen, then immediately what you thought? Hetero. Only question is homocyclic or heterocyclic. This is a branch after on this cyclic. So like don't tell me. This is homocyclic. Now that it is present in the ring, then this is called hetero. This is heterocyclic. This is homos. This is the ring or out of the ring? Heterosexual. In the ring only this is the ring only. Then this is called hetero. This is hetero. Like this question may ask. So all possibilities are given. If like this any question asked, you have to answer it. Hetero, homo mean in the ring all are same atoms are there, that is homo. Out of the ring any hetero atom is present, that is not. In the ring should be you have to observe. In ring any other atoms are present, that is called heterocyclic compound. Okay. So based on this like this question possible. After this one homologous series is there. Homologous series. Directly I will discuss in the form of question lists. Homologous series. What it means? Which of the following is correct about homologous series? First one, in a homologous series, any compounds are there. They can be written in the general formula. So homologous series represented by general or same general formula. Second one, adjacent molecule differ by 14 unified mass. Differ by 14 unified mass. Third one, they can prepare by different method. Next, they have different chemical properties. Spelling here, space knowledge, red properties. The fifth one, they have different physical properties. Which of the following statements are correct about the homologous series? Question is which of the following statements are correct about the homologous series? The first statement is represented by the same general formula. Yes, then this is statement correct. Second one, correct or wrong? Take one example. For an alkane I am taking here. CH3, CH2, CH3. What is the name of this compound? Propane. Take the butane, adjacent molecule. CH2, CH2, CH3. This is same. What is the difference? CH2, carbon atomic mass 12, hydrogen atomic mass 1. Like this, how many are there? 2. Then 12 plus 2, 14. Unified mass. Is there or not? Using unified mass. So this is also correct. Then next, they can prepare by different methods. Generally, same method we are following. For example, whose reaction is it? In whose reaction, except methane, all other we can prepare. Same following method is same now. Any one method is there. In that all type of compound we can prepare. Some maybe exceptions are there, but generalized statement this is. So all compounds are generally we can prepare by the same method also. Okay? Like this is also, sorry, this is wrong. This is wrong. Different methods are there, but in that particular method we can prepare the all types of homologous compound. Next, they have different chemical properties? No. They have similar chemical properties. If you take the alcohol, primary, secondary, tertiary, they have maybe slightly different, but their properties are nearly same. Acidic nature or any boiling point, maybe. Sorry, physical properties are different, chemical properties are different. Chemical properties we can't see. Physical properties we can see with our eyes. So they have different chemical properties. That is wrong. They have same chemical properties. Based on this, what you have to add? Side only you have to note that they have similar chemical properties. Here they can prepare by different methods. No, they can prepare same or similar method. Then here they have different physical properties? Yes or no? Yes, because here propane atomic mass, molecular mass different, butane molecular mass different, propane boiling point different, butane boiling point different, which is we can see with our eyes, that is called physical property. So this is that. So all points I covered with the question homologous. Now I will give one more question based on the homologous. Which of the following are homologous series? Question 1, alkane. Second one, alkene. Third one, alkyne. Fourth one, benzene. Fifth one, haloalkane. And sixth one, alcohol. Seventh one, aldehyde or ether also. Ethers. Eighth, aldehydes. Next, 9 ketones. Then here we will get 10 carboxylic acids. 11 amines. Like this, so many exercises. Now, which one is considered homologous? These are nothing but your chapter from first year to second year. Which one? From first year to second year, these are your chapters. All are homologous series. Homologous series means they can represent the general formula. Now, benzene is on this benzene. If you write toluene like this is a benzene formula. This is toluene. This is substituted benzene or not? Here, how many hydrogens are there? Its formula C6 and H6. Even you are confused with benzene, that is only H2. And here, this is C6 and this is one C7. Then here, hydrogens are 5 and here 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Then how these are differ by 14 or CH2? 14 being CH2. Yes or no? Now here how much hydrogen are there? 1. Instead of this hydrogen we got CH2H. Total CH2 this is. HH same is there, benzene same is there. What is the difference? CH2. So benzene also one, homologous series. So these are your chapter names from first year to second. All are homologous series. Got the point? Homologous series part is completed. After this, what we can discuss next? Before this homologous series, we have one concept. Leave it. Otherwise, one question I have. Functional groups. FG. Functional group. What is a functional group? A functional group is a reactive part of the molecule. Keep in mind. Don't forget this. Functional group means what is that? A reactive part in the molecule. Otherwise, it creates the reactive site in the molecule. Now consider this is a CH3, ethane, CH2 double bond CH2, CH triple bond CH. Now Cl OH. Now like this compounds are there. Here this single bond reactive part or not. Here double bond is in this double bond one is sigma bond, another is pi bond. Pi bond act as a nucleophile, then it is reactive part. Pi bond here reactive part. Single bond you know that in all cases are known as a paraffins. Do not react. Therefore single bond is a do not consider as a functional group. Got the point? Single bond is that is do not consider as a functional group.